Hello everyone, it's Rashmi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on Father's Day greeting card. I'm going to make this shirt and suit greeting card. So let's get started. I'm starting with my check shirt card first. For that, I have used here a scrapbook paper of size 20.5 by 14 centimeter. Then I'm dividing this sheet into three parts vertically. After that, to make a collar on my shirt, I'm making a mark by keeping 4 cm distance from above. Plus, for attaching folding parts at the end, I'm going to mark 1.5 cm distance from bottom. Now, to make a perfect fold for the collar, first I'm going to mark a diagonal line as shown in video. Then going to score the diagonal line, and after that going to fold in opposite direction. Measurements for all the parts I have written on the sheet, plus I have listed in the description below, so you can refer that if you want. After my collar is ready, I am attaching both the folds of my shirt. Best way is just take out the sides folds, keep the middle one as it is. Then attach your left side of the shirt along that middle fold part, and then on top of that attach your right side of the shirt. Once my basic shirt is ready, I'm going to attach this shirt on my main base cardstock. Now I'm taking out these bow dies through my die cut machine on black sheet. You can see here I have already die cut down these bow dies over here. I'm going to use that only. I'm just attaching different parts of this bow together. To attach different parts of bow, I'm going to use here glue. Glue will help to make adjustment while attaching. Now I'm keeping this bow aside to get dry. After my bow completely gets dry, I'm going to attach this on my shirt. And then for the final touch-up, I'm going to attach real buttons on my shirt. You can make surprise note card inside this shirt. For the note card, you will be required a piece of paper of size 9.4 by 12.5. To take out the note card easily, you can make pulling part. You can see here, I have made half circle pulling part over here. Our first card is ready now. Let's move towards our second card. To make suit for the second card, I'm taking here a black sheet of size 9.5 by 13 centimeter. Before directly going to cutting parts, first I'm going to mark some points. First two points will mark at 1.5 centimeter distance from both the ends, and the third point will be at the center by leaving 4 centimeter distance from above. Then I'm giving a cut at the center till my third point. After that, I have drawn a diagonal line that joins center point to that first two points. Then I'm going to fold that two diagonal lines in opposite direction. To give overlapping look to your suit, I'm going to continue that middle cut till the end, so that will give me two different parts of same suit. Now for the inside shirt, I have took here a white sheet of size 8.5 by 13 centimeter, plus a strip of 1.5 by 13 centimeter that will show overlapping part of shirt. And for the collar part, I'm taking a piece of paper of size 3 by 1.5 centimeter, folding that in the middle and giving a V-shape cut. Just observe the video, you will get an idea. After each and every part of the shirt is ready, I'm going to attach them permanently. Now, to make a pocket on my suit, I'm giving a 1 centimeter cut on left part of suit and going to insert same size of red strip inside this cut. For the proper hanky look, I'm giving a triangular cut over here. Now I'm assembling all my parts. First, I'm going to attach my left part of suit on shirt. Over that, the right part. I have already made the red bow with the same bow dies that I have used before. I'm going to attach this bow on the shirt. And finally, I'm attaching this whole suit on my main base card. For attaching, I have used here double-sided tape, but you can use glue over here instead of that. Now, for the final touch-up, I'm going to attach black circles as the buttons on my suit. If you have real one black buttons, you can attach them instead of this. And to distinguish collar and gorge part, I'm giving this triangular cut. So this is the final look of my both the cards. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.